साथ तो ये झुक झुक टिक टॉक चलती है।
भारत माता की
जय हिंद।
ITV, I love ITV. We love it.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
So welcome to the FI's 33rd India Day Parade, celebrating India's 66th anniversary celebration. Bharat Mata ki!
Join me in welcoming NYPD Desi Society, ladies and gentlemen.
We have with us the Speaker of New York City Council, Kristen Quinn, community to the City Council chambers and gave us a proclamation declaring today, August 18, as the India Day. Big hand for her!
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Very nice. Jai Hind.
It's so great to get to be here at this parade and having a moment to thank the Indian community for everything they've done to make New York City great.
We're all Indian or Indian American today. It's a great celebration, the 66th anniversary of independence of India. India has contributed so much, not only culturally but economically, to New York City and New York State through the small business community. I'm Assemblyman David Weprin. I'm proud to represent the largest Indian American Assembly District in the state. And I'm just so thrilled to be here today celebrating with everybody.
I'm running for public advocate. I'm so proud that we're going to be the first Indian elected in the entire city and state. Proud to have the support of people like Assemblyman David Weprin, who is our honorary Indian. And it's the first time that we are having this opportunity to turn out the Indian vote. So on September 10th, you must come out and vote.
When we see you as mayor, what would you be your expectations or offerings for Indian community?
Oh, well, my goal for the Indian community and for the whole city is for us to work together to build more good jobs, help small businesses grow, improve our schools, build more affordable housing, and keep our city safe. And the Indian community is an integral part of making all that happen in our city.
Join me together and say Bharat Mata ki!
भारत माता की और जोर से यार नाश्ता करके नहीं आए भारत माता की fantastic it's wonderful to be here I can't believe I'm in New York of course New York is one of my most favorite places in the world but now it becomes even more special with all this love and affection, and most importantly, pride that we feel in our hearts for being Indian.
It's a great occasion. I think let's keep our country's flag flying high. आप आए मजा आया, आप आए बाहर आए, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया, भारत का झंडा जो है दुनिया के हर कोने में फहरा दिया, आपका हम बहुत आभारी हैं. Thank you very much. Keep the flag flying high.
Today, we are all proud to be Indian Americans. We are proud to be New Yorkers. And I'm so delighted to be joining right here our beloved Vidya Balan. Great to see you, Vidya. Welcome to New York City. We are a city of people from all over the world.
Thank you. I'm really glad to be here. Thank you all for coming.
हाल ही में तेलंगाना राज्य के निर्माण को लेकर जो चर्चाएं हो रही हैं उनके बारे में बातचीत करने के लिए डॉक्टर शशि शाह को जय हिंद कहते हुए मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं. हाउ डू यू फील फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ न्यू स्टेट इन इंडिया?
Well, the population is increasing and our diversity is there, and from management point of view, if it helps to make the more states, so it's perfectly fine and it makes people happy, so I think I am happy.
I think the population is growing and I strongly feel it should not have happened. It's again my personal view. I have talked to my friends from Hyderabad and Telangana. The boy belongs to Hyderabad, the woman belongs to Telangana. I think we stand for a united India. Even if the state is formed, we know when we started with 17, 18, we have gone to 29 states now. But as long as we are together, we believe in each other, India is going to be a proud country.
I think there should be a referendum and people should speak rather than the leaders of the country just deciding on any division or any such issue.
आज के करप्शन और करप्ट नेताओं को देखते हुए मैं कहूँगा कि ठीक नहीं है. क्योंकि अभी एक मुख्यमंत्री एक राज्य में होता है और अन्य मंत्री होते हैं, थोड़ा लूटते हैं और फिर दो हो जाएंगे तो दो जगह लूटेंगे। तो जैसे आप सब ने कहा व्यवस्था के दृष्टिकोण से तो ठीक है, लेकिन जिस तरह से आज जो भारत में जो करप्शन है उसके हिसाब से ठीक नहीं है।
Once you're outside of India, you're Indians. You are one. हम सबको एक फेस से हमको दिखाना है कि हम भारतीय हैं, हम एक हैं और हम सब बराबर हैं, हम सब साथ हैं।
जय हिंद!
I'm very proud to join you on the 33rd parade, the 66th anniversary. जय हिंद! भारत माता की जय!
दुनिया में क्रांति हो रही है, लेकिन ऐसे क्रांति होना, आत्मक्लेश हमने करना और कुछ संवेदना दूसरे लोगों को होना, ऐसे आंदोलन, ऐसे क्रांति वो भारत में पहली बार हुई 2011 में।
Brahma Kumaris, thank you very much. Because goodness returns.
Bharat Mata ki!
Jai Hind.
Thank you. Jai Hind to the ITV viewers.
Tell me the significance of being a part of this parade for Triple H.
Well, Triple H, as you know, that Heart and Hands for Handicapped Kids, it's been 42 years old organization, which is supporting, and our main goal is empowering the handicapped or disabled kids in India as well as United States. And that's what we've been doing it for 42 years. And it's a thank you very much for the viewers of ITV.
Honorable Winston Baldwin Spencer, the Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, the Federation of Malali Associations America, FOMA. Give it up for FOMA, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, Winston Baldwin Spencer, Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda in the Caribbean. I am absolutely thrilled and delighted to be participating in India Day here in New York in this parade.
Great. Have you been to India, sir?
Yes, I've been to India on two occasions.
What are the memories from India?
Oh, the vastness of the country and the resilience of the people of India.
And tell me one special thing about your country, sir.
Well, we are very hospitable people. We are very inviting, welcoming, and we're hoping to have a lot of Indians, not only from this area, but throughout the diaspora, to visit Antigua and Barbuda. It was a wonderful experience.
We'll definitely visit, sir. Thank you very much. Lots of good wishes.
Volunteers, overseas volunteers for Better India.
And it's a proud moment for all of us. And let us keep this feeling going. Let us create a society in the future, breaking all the barriers of past, great religion and language.
You are all here to show your love for your country, which is absolutely fantastic. Keep it going. We need you. We love you.
So many Indians celebrating this special day, India Day parade, and what are your feelings being surrounded by all patriotic Indians?
It's truly emotional. Definitely Indians are truly patriotic, and we have to remember our leaders who got us freedom, and this is the day for us to celebrate. Though it's been celebrated after 3 days of real Independence Day, and so much of enthusiasm that I see over here, and Indians as such. It's not Tamils, Kannadigas, Telugus, it's all Indians over here who are celebrating this, and really it's a proud moment for us to be here as marshals over here being invited for the first time.
Make some noise for Lead India 2020, empowering you to transform the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Dunkin' Donuts is an American global donut company and coffee house chain. Times Now, welcome to New York.
Times Now TV bringing India Day Parade live in 50 countries.
Times Television Network,
Times Now and Zoom.
a part of India's largest media conglomerate, the Times Group. Times Now and Zoom are India's #1 English news and Bollywood channels. Times Now provides viewers breaking news with highly intensive and insightful news and debates on big stories and big newsmakers in India and around the world. Zoom brings viewers closer to Bollywood with celebrity news, interviews, movie reviews, and music. The channels inform and entertain over 100 million viewers across 50 countries in 4 continents. They're available on this network. Thank you for participating in the 33rd Annual India Day Parade. Thank you so much.
Times Now bringing this live and more tonight. Mother Cabrini High School Band, always part of the India Day Parade. Thank you very much, Mother Cabrini High School Band.
gentlemen, we have with us now Uma Sen Gupta, a well-known community leader and very actively involved in politics in Queens, New York area. Uma ji, welcome and share your thoughts with us as you see this great turnout for the India Day Parade.
Coming up, Sharon Care Foundation.
Good afternoon, नमस्ते। ये देख करके बहुत खुश हुए आप लोग सब इकट्ठा होकर के इंडिया परेड डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
TV Asia.
Ladies and gentlemen.
India is great. You all should come and parade with us. Happy Independence Day.
I feel really good. This is the first time I'm attending this parade, and I'm so glad we are here. And we brought Arvind's dad with us too.
Tell me, what is the feeling for you participating?
We are pleased to see this, function here.
Great.
And it's good.
And how do you like it?
Well, this is my first time to this parade, and I think it's nice to see this kind, like the heritage of India.
Have you seen so many Indians together anywhere else?
Except for India, no.
Wonderful. So, Arvindji, you are in the financial field, and we are all looking at the way conversion rate, which was 1 rupee per dollar in 1947, has reached near 62 rupees per dollar. How do you look at it?
Well, I think it's, it's unfortunate that, forgetting for a moment the 1 to 62, but even the last 6 months it's gone from, low 50s to 62. And that rapid descent is reflective of a lot of problems in India. And I think basically not enough discipline in the government to do the right things. And that's why we've had this problem. So I think there are some serious challenges. India needs to tighten its belt. And unfortunately, this Independence Day, that is a backdrop that India is facing, and it needs to, meet the challenge. And I'm hopeful it will, but right now it seems a little worrisome.
We always look towards hope. And what is it about India that you feel fills us with hope?
Well, the spirit. Everyone's so spirited here, and it's nice.
So Indian spirit that brings us all together is definitely able to overcome all the challenges. On that note, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Jai Hind.
और अभी भारत की तरफ देखते हैं तो सबसे चिंताजनक बात क्या लगती है?
बहुत करप्शन जो भारत के अंदर जो दिखता है सब करप्शन से चलता है। नेताजी की कुछ है पब्लिक
करप्शन दूर होने वाला कि नहीं?
हाँ, होना चाहिए।
भारत का झंडा और डंकिन डोनट साथ साथ।
Yes, it's an excellent event, an excellent day today. It's over 150,000 populations has been and viewers has been participated with us. It's a great day and it's a great event. And I'm so proud to say that the Dunkin' Donuts has been a royal patron since last 5 years in a row, and that is why it's represented up here. Dunkin' has also moved to India too, so it's become a part of Indian life.
How are you feeling today?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ऐसे ही हम आपको देखते हैं टीवी पे, हमेशा देखते हैं टीवी पे, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और इंडिपेंडेंस डे की आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
Take independent nations and every state should come peace and harm.
Unity rules.
And I'm very proud to say that right from the very inception of this parade, 33 years ago, Air India was one of the chief sponsors and has always been.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! Okay, tell me about this year's Grand Marshal Vidya Balan. Do you like her?
Oh, sure, of course we love her. She is a wonderful actress. Thank you so much, but they are here. That's great.
जमनू राजानी।
क्या बात है? आप ITV देखते हैं?
बहुत अच्छी तरह, और आपका तो प्रोग्राम कम्युनिटी में बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हमेशा वॉच करता हूँ।
We are representing Federation of Malayali Associations. My name is George Matthew. I'm the president of this organization, and we are representing 52 organizations, Malayali organizations in United States and Canada, representing over 5 lakh Malayalis. And it is our privilege and honor to be part of this celebration today.
Okay, first of all, I would like to say Happy Independence Day to all the viewers of ITV, the channel we love the most. It, as a matter of fact, that was one of the very first channel in America to be launched to provide some kind of entertainment to Indian community that goes back to 40 years. And second thing, you'll be surprised to know that that channel was organized and produced by a doctor, cardiologist. His name is Dr. Dr. Pradap Vishwanath. We are so thankful to him. On this occasion, I would like to say Happy Independence Day to all of you. Now I can ask my wife to say a few words.
Actually, when you mention about your wife, I'm thinking about Dr. Bernard Vishwanath's wife, Satya Vishwanath, who was also with him in making all this happen for the Indian community.
I can just want to wish everybody a happy Independence Day today.
My next is a film called Shaadi Ke Side Effects, releasing on the 6th of December. It's a comedy and I hope you all enjoy it. It's got Farhan and me and some great music and some romance. So I hope you'll all watch it. If you promise that you watch it, we might do a premiere here.
All right. They publish monthly magazine also. Premier Media Ground.
Happy Independence Day, Bharat Mata ki jai.
Mr. Shankaran Chandramouli, Country Head, State Bank of India, US Operations.
Bharat Mata ki
आर्य समाज न्यूयॉर्क सदस्यों का बहुत-बहुत स्वागत.
Bank of Baroda is also providing free rupee remittance facilities to India.
Vande Mataram.
Coming up, the Yes Bank. Yes Bank along.
Yes
we need a day parade here at Yes Bank. Private bank in India, founded by Mr. Michelle Kapoor and Rana Kapoor.
For the new season of Kaun Banega Crorepati launching in the first week of September.
Indian National Overseas Congress salutes you Shud Prakash Singh, Yuvraj and Kubra Chopra. Beat for you. Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi is the real king. People for Lok Sabha. For cleaner politics. People for Lok Sabha. Thank you for joining us.
St. Paddy's Day, everybody becomes Irish. On India's Independence Day, everybody becomes Indian.
Dol Tasha Patak USA. Bharat Mata ki.
जय हिंद नीता.
जय हिंद ITV के सभी दर्शकों को जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ नमस्कार आदाब सत श्री अकाल एंड गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू. हम आज अशोक के साथ आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम सिटिंग टुगेदर और इंडिया डे परेड को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. अगर आप लोग नहीं आए ना यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर मिसिंग. यू मस्ट कम एवरी ईयर एंड सेलिब्रेट दिस डे एंड यू नो व्हाट we are celebrating Diwali. My company is celebrating.
I know. I want to congratulate you on making it happen on none other than the best location in the world, Times Square. So Indians are going to be celebrating Deepavali on Times Square. When is that happening and what to expect?
September 22nd. My request to everybody is you have to come in your own traditional outfit. हर प्रांत के लोगों को अपने प्रांत की जो ट्रेडिशनल वेशभूषा है उसमें आना है. हम दुनिया को दिखाना चाहते हैं कितना रिच है हमारा कल्चर.
हिंद, भारत माता की जय। भारत वासियों के लिए न्यूयॉर्क में होने वाली इंडिया डे परेड एक विशेष उत्सव है, न केवल अपनी भारतीयता को उत्सव पूर्वक मनाने का, बल्कि एक दूसरे से मिलने जुलने का भी। जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद बोलो, जय हिंद बोलो, जय हिंद बोलो, जय हिंद।
Jai Hind! It's a great day for India as well as Indians in America. Today we come to pay the tribute to our motherland, Mahatma Gandhi, the great leader of the entire world who gave a wonderful contribution of solving the problems of the world through non-violent means. And of course, we come here to pay our tribute to our culture.
And now we have become one of the biggest, actually we are the largest parade here in the world outside of India, and we are very proud of it.
The organization promoting spirituality and the message of all scriptures. Please like family with the band.
This spectacular India Day parade, leading the contingent with Lal Motwani. Thank you so much for being part of this lovely India Day parade. Thank you so much.
भारत माता की जय।
भारत माता की जय।
माता की जय।
मैं सपने में भी ये नहीं देख पाती कि इतने सारे हमारे इंडियंस एक साथ इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ न्यूयॉर्क में। इतना मजा आ रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर टुडे।
गर्जा जय जयकार, क्रांति का गर्जा जय जयकार, अपनी सीने पर झेलेंगे हम हर वज्र प्रहार, बजने दो हाथों पाओ में लोहे की जंजीर, मृत्यु द्वार पर खड़े आज जो लेकिन नहीं अधीर, नागपाश चाहे जितना भी जकड़े चारों ओर, छिन्न बाहों हम किंतु हृदय में बल अपना पुरजोर, एक तड़ित से उजड़ा है क्या तारों का संसार, गर्जा जय जयकार, क्रांति का गर्जा जय जयकार।
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the 33rd.
Coming up, American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, API, Dr. Kumar, past president of API.
You know that obesity is very common in America. Every fourth kid in the New York State is obese, and API has taken an initiative in reducing the obesity.
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद।
In this parade, I met many viewers of ITV who appreciated the contribution of Dr. Bernard Vishwanath and ITV in general in connecting them with India, and they also appreciated some of our programs. When you hear that response, what is the inner reaction to that?
Well, I'm humbled by all the good wishes that the audience has given us. My father he was the pioneer in Indian television, and he, I think, opened the doors for a lot of other channels to come in. But he started something, and we're continuing it to make it bigger. So, thank you all.
Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vision of Asia ITV. Thank you, Kala. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Dr. and Mrs. Vishwanath.
खूब भालो लागलो, रोम्बवे संतोषमा आनकी bless you all. Let's keep making India proud. And may the Indian flag keep flying high. Jai Hind!
ITV Gold, the best channel always, always.
Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi is the real king.
So we have members of आम आदमी पार्टी हमारे साथ आज अन्ना हजारे जी भी थे. आपको कैसा लगा उनकी उपस्थिति से यहाँ पर? And coming to the political side of it, is he formally supporting Arvind Kejriwal?
Yes, actually we are supporting Arvind Kejriwal because the idea that he has for the India, which is a clean, transparent and accountable system that he would like to bring, that is the dream of every Indian. This is after 67, I mean we finished the 66 years of independence and this is the 67th year. We have been celebrating all this year. Now the youth of the India, they have decided to take the responsibility of that independence, of that democracy.
You know, I'm taking the liberty of interrupting you to ask again to Aman. The question is Anna Hazare formally supporting Aam Aadmi Party of Arvind Kejriwal?
सर अन्ना हज़ारे जो हैं वो फॉर्मली सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं पॉलिटिकल साइड हमारी और हम अन्ना हज़ारे से हम सब लोग ये मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि उन्हें अरविंद केजरीवाल और आम आदमी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. करप्शन हटाने के लिए वो पूरा सपोर्ट करते हैं. वो जगह जगह जाते हैं, लोगों को बोलते हैं कि करप्शन को हटाओ और अच्छे कैंडिडेट्स को वोट दो. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हम चाहते हैं कि वो ये बोलें कि ये आम आदमी के कैंडिडेट्स हैं, इससे क्लीन कैंडिडेट्स तो कंट्री में है ही नहीं.
बहुत ही सही कहा, बिल्कुल सही बात. और आप बताएं कि being a part of this parade, how was it in terms of your feeling?
It was great. I mean, we could see the energy and the enthusiasm among the crowd. That's awesome.
भारत माता की.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
TV Asia.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Asia Shah.
they publish monthly magazine also. To bring the media crowd.
Happy Independence Day. Bharat Mata ki jai.
Bharat Mata ki.
Jet Airways offers the best airlines.
The Jamaica Queens, Arya Samaj.
आर्य समाज न्यूयॉर्क सदस्यों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत. For the new season of Kaun Banega Crorepati launching in the first week of September.
Indian National Overseas Congress salutes you, Shubh Prakash Singh, Yuvraj and Kubra Chopra. Beat for you. The organization promoting spirituality and the message of our scriptures.
Thank you so much.
Coming up is the Degumpura Cultural Society of New York. Thank you, Bhagwan Valmiki Sabha of New York. Bhagwan Valmiki
की राह
Sabha of New
पर
York.
चलने
Thank
वाले
you.
मार्गदर्शन करने वाले सभी सदस्यों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. बेगमपुरा कल्चरल सोसाइटी ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क.
मैं सपने में भी ये नहीं देख पाती कि इतने सारे हमारे इंडियंस एक साथ इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ न्यूयॉर्क में. इतना मजा आ रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर टुडे.
His Holiness Shri Sadguru Jagjit Singh Ji. जो बोले सो निहाल.
The Daily News float over here, one of the largest newspapers in the United States.
National Associations of Asian Indian Christians for being part of the parade.
For New York Live for joining us today.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the 33rd.
मजा भी गया. खूप भालो लागलो. रोम्बवे संतोषमा आणखीन काय सांगायचं.
भारत माता की जय.
जय हिंद. डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कौशिक. भारत माता को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और भारत माता की जय.
Oh, it feels amazing to see so many Indian people in New York. So, I mean, it's such a surprise. Yeah. Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
जय हिंद.
भारत माता की.
भारत माता की. वंदे गोवर्धन नाथ की.
श्री गोवर्धन नाथ की जय.
श्री गिरिराज धरण की जय.
We all carry one simple message: world peace. We are here together to show world. We are in with it to show world peace, to present Vaishnav Temple of New York. Religious is important aspect in terms of peace. Without religion, there is no peace. And with Krishna, teaches you only one thing: love, love, and love. So where there is love, there is peace.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
जय हिंद. जय हिंद.
आप कनेक्टिकट में ITV देखते हैं?
जी हाँ.
सारे इंडियन चैनल है अभी आजकल कनेक्टिकट. आपको अब हमेशा बराबर देखते हैं, तभी आपको फॉलो करते हुए आए हम मिलने आपसे.
कैसे लगते हैं कार्यक्रम आपको हमारे?
बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. अपनी हिंदुस्तान की याद आती है अपना प्रोग्राम देख के.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for participating in the raffle, ITV's raffle. We are happy to give away a mini iPad to the lucky winner here today. As you can see, you have to be present to win it. Reach all the way in, all the way. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Yeah. Okay, the winner is Sangeeta Sagar from Jamaica. Congratulations.
The light of love, light of harmony, and the light of peace. And sharing that spirit of India here with thousands of Indians and non-Indians. This is Ashok Vyas reporting for ITV with cameraman Sarabjit Singh Happy. Jai Hind.